splash! Come along with me, and let's get ready for a happy, healthy day together. Good morning, the sun says hello. Time to wake up and start the day, let's go! Stretch up high, then stretch down low. Wiggle and jiggle, and off we go! Brush, brush, and down we go. Keeping smiles bright and clean, that's how healthy teeth grow. Grow. Now rinse and spit, all clean and bright. 2 minutes of brushing, morning and night. Turn on the water, nice and warm. Splish and splash, that's the morning norm. Wash it gently, pat it dry. A clean, fresh face says hi to the sky. What to wear today? Let's pick something bright. A comfy shirt and pants feel just right. Arms in the sleeves, one leg, then two. Now I'm all dressed, ready for you. Look in the mirror, comb your hair. Clean and dressed, ready for anywhere. Washed and dressed and teeth so bright, I'm ready now to greet the light.
Wake up, brush your teeth, wash your face so bright. Get dressed and you're ready. What a great start to the light!
Great job today, friends! Remember, wake up, brush, wash, and dress, and you're ready for anything. Ask a grown-up to like, share, and subscribe so we can learn together again. Bye-bye!